I'm going to show you how to fix custom fonts in OBS. If I hide the working font, you can see either you get this red line or just a black screen. It can be a real struggle to get it to work, and there hasn't been a lot of good information out there on how to fix it. What you would need to do is navigate to your C Windows font folder, Abstract Groove. This is the one that isn't working. Now say that you've installed the font and then you deleted the installer. How are you going to be able to fix it without having to go search for that installer again? It's pretty simple. Just click and drag the font to your desktop, right click, install for all users. And you're going to notice that it's going to reinstall the font, and OBS is not going to recognize that. So we need to restart OBS. So let's go ahead and close it out, and then we're going to reopen it. So how can we do this without having to do all these steps? It's super simple. I have a font here that I don't have installed anywhere on the system. So let's go ahead and hide this source, lock it so that way it doesn't bother me. I'm going to go into here. We're going to go ahead and look for this font, and you can see it doesn't exist anywhere. So we're going to do a fresh install by right clicking, and we're going to hit install all users. Since we've installed a new font with OBS open, it's not going to recognize it. So let's go ahead and close out of OBS. And when OBS relaunches, we're going to go back down to that new font, and we're going to change it over since we changed it to the 04B08 we just installed. And you can see that this font works. Now I can reboot my computer and this font will still work. This is how you do it. It's just that simple, and I'll show you fonts on my system that work after reboot every single time, because that was just a simple fix. So if you remember, go to your font folder, grab that font, drag it out to the desktop, right click on it, install for all users. If it's a custom font you're already having a problem with, if it's a new font that you're installing, just make sure when you install, you do it from your desktop by right clicking and install for all users. So I hope that you found this really useful. Leave me a comment. Let me know if this worked for you. It worked for me. If you're looking for more creator quick fixes and you are struggling, come over to Twitch TV/accidentals happen, because I am streaming live so you can interact with me and you can ask questions. So if you are struggling and you don't know how to troubleshoot, join the conversation, come ask questions. There's a lot of amazing things that are starting to happen with Accidental Happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it resolved the issue for you, and thanks so much for watching.